Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all of our friends around the world, I want to show you why they call us the hardscape kings. It's not only because we have attention to detail, but because we have a magnificent landscape design that is going to give you way more than what you could have ever imagined. I want to take you really close up on what's taking place right now. The customer had an existing concrete pad. Now we know that concrete pad is susceptible to be cracked at any time, but we know that it's not going to give them that luxury style and look that they were looking for, and it's also not going to really give them any upside on the sale of the home. So what we did is we came in with our beautiful Stonehurst pavers. This is a three-piece paver, meaning it has three different sizes that we use. They're used in a combination in order to create this unique look that you see. But the best part about this, folks, is it says that if you're just like one of our customers that are right here in the Paulding County area, the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, any home that usually has a existing concrete pad, you can begin to add not only a lifestyle that you would have liked based on the color and the texture and the size and the type of pavers that you pick, but you've also would have been able to add some square footage to that existing concrete pad. And so now we've protected the homeowner for the lifetime by adding these beautiful custom Stonehurst pavers, but then we've also provided them with the extra space that's needed. We're going to be bringing this all the way out to here, folks, and so we're definitely giving them back some space that they were wanting to use in order to put lawn furniture on, in order to bring out the grill. All of these things are going to be able to be accommodated now. And it's not just going to be done with a concrete pad. As you know, if you're in this area, we have a lot of landscape drainage problems. And so as you can see, we're getting ready to provide a dry creek bed in this landscape. But I wanted you to see why they call us the landscape kings. It's because we come in, we take our time, we're dedicated, and we make sure that we give you a design that's going to last a lifetime. That's right. These beautiful Stonehurst pavers are going to go extremely well with the existing home. They're also going to give the customer that added elegance of landscape design that they've been looking for. It's going to make them feel good when they walk out their back door. And that's what we look to do each and every time you give us a call. We're going to come in, we're going to take our time in order to give you a design that you can truly be amazed with. We're also going to take our time and give you a design that accommodates your landscape. And in doing so, you're going to see that the professionalism and the craftsmanship over here is unsurpassed by anyone that you'll find. And I tell you, we're just a couple young guns out here trying to make sure that what we do lasts a lifetime. And so we're just so thankful for the opportunity that it's provided us over at the online garage sale pages for friends and family to share our videos. Now it's become global. All around the world we have people that are watching. We want you to continue to tune in because it says that you're going to be able to see from start to finish why we are not only the landscape cleans, but as we've said in our shirts and our slogans and in all of our wording, we make dirt look good. And that's one of the most important things, is that we know how to work with your landscape. So right now what you see is really just something that we kind of do for fun, folks. When you find something that you love to do, you do it for fun. And so, you know, we're taking our time, we're moving in an exceptional fashion while also giving the customer the added satisfaction that they need with this landscape. And if you look at the existing concrete pad, it's no longer going to be there. It's going to be encompassed by this beautiful Stonehurst paver, and we're also going to be taking it out some. And so that's what we do here. We give the customer more quality, more quantity of service than that of what's ever expected. And then we also make sure that they understand that this is something that is going to last for a long term. And so I wanted you to see this live for yourself. I don't have much time. We got a little bit more to go. But I tell you, when I come back on today, folks, the majority of this Paver Patio will already be in place. And it's just due to the exceptionalism of professionalism that goes with each and every stone that is laid. And as you can see, it's right there in the pudding for you, folks. It's not a bird. Wait a minute. It's not a plane. No, it is Super Mario right there. And that's what's going to happen, folks. You're going to get a dedicated team of individuals, 1, 2, 3. And they're going to make sure that you get what you need in order to do exactly what you want on your landscape. So thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. I know we're going viral around the world now, and it said that the technological advances says that we're going to be getting people from all over the world responding. But it's just a call to action to say that if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County area, if you live anywhere close in the vicinity towards Cobb County and Marietta, and you're looking for a professional hardscape company that's going to take their time and do the job right, make sure they walk with you through the whole process, well, I tell you, you finally found one if you've never found us before. And so I thank you guys for tuning in. I want you to see this beautiful design, how well it goes with the existing landscape, matching it right into the home. And I want you to see that this was something that you also have. It's just a concreted pad, but we've been able to save it as a lifetime feature by adding these pavers on here. So thank you so much for your time, folks, and I wish I could talk to you more, but I can't. Be back soon.